Greetings, and thank you for tuning in. Are you weary of unreliable shipping services causing frustration and leaving your goods stranded? Look no further than Coastal Couriers, the freight powerhouse that is revolutionizing the industry. With branches strategically positioned in Swakopmund, Walvis Bay, Windhoek, Johannesburg, and Cape Town, Coastal Couriers is making waves in the freight world. When it comes to shipping goods within Namibia or across international borders, Coastal Couriers stands as your premier choice. Renowned for providing efficient, reliable, and cost-effective shipping solutions, they consistently impress clients. Leveraging their local knowledge and collaborating with global partners, Coastal Couriers has forged an unbeatable alliance, guaranteeing meticulous handling and precise delivery of your shipments. Coastal Couriers provides road freight services that are both rapid and dependable, setting a standard that's hard to match. Recognizing the importance of punctuality, they've honed their processes to ensure prompt and reliable deliveries. With a versatile fleet of trucks, they can accommodate shipments of all sizes, from small packages to full containers. Coastal Couriers excels in streamlined international shipping, removing the hassles and complications often linked with cross-border logistics. Utilizing their know-how and vast network, Coastal Couriers simplifies the process of shipping goods to any destination worldwide. Their wide array of shipping choices, including smooth door-to-door delivery, ensures the safe and efficient arrival of your goods at international locations. Count on Coastal Couriers for a seamless customs clearance process on every occasion. They recognize the vital significance of hassle-free customs clearance and have forged partnerships to ensure your goods navigate through bureaucracy effortlessly. Their specialized clearing agents stationed at Windhoek International Airport possess the expertise and tools to manage all required paperwork and declarations for your air shipments, streamlining customs clearance and reducing delays to a minimum. At Coastal Couriers, they recognize the importance of maintaining both affordability and quality. Their goal is to ensure that your shipping experience is smooth, trouble-free, and budget-friendly. Make the intelligent decision and opt for Coastal Couriers as your reliable partner for seamless shipping solutions. Elevate your transportation experience. Coastal Couriers, working in perfect harmony with you. From local champions to worldwide pioneers, Coastal Couriers stands by your side. Setting the standard for shipping excellence, Coastal Couriers leads the pack. Below this video, you'll find Coastal Couriers' contact information. Remember to give our video a thumbs up and share it with your colleagues and friends to spread the word about the exceptional freight and courier services this company provides. We want everyone to benefit from the outstanding service they offer. This video was created by Tara Nawa. If you're interested in a marketing video customized for your business, don't hesitate to get in touch by calling +264 64 400 and 2403. Sending warm regards and positive vibes from the beautiful town of Swakopmund. Take care until we meet again.